This time I came to visit the Yuga Beef Tourist Factory, diagonally opposite the Shuk University in Yanchao, Kaohsiung. In addition to redeeming a pack of beef jerky with the international travel package, you can also get knowledge about cattle and beef during the visit, and you can also purchase high-quality beef, eat steak, hot pot, roast meat, and cook on site. The highlight is that you can order and enjoy the set meals. The meals are not sloppy at all. It costs 100 yuan to buy a ticket on the spot, and you can offset the meal fee by 100 yuan, which is cheaper than buying a ticket in advance. The food is quite delicious. If you don't eat cows, the choices are a bit limited. You can choose from about 2 to 3. Klook offers free beef jerky when buying tickets online, but I think it's more cost-effective to include the meal fee. It is a comfortable and clean tourist factory. The staff are very considerate in explaining how to consume in the park. No special reservation is required. You can enter directly when the door opens. The meals are delicious and reasonably priced. It is recommended that you choose to go during meal times and taste the on-site meals. Very good deal. It's my first time here and I think it's very novel. Next time I'll bring my in-laws with me. I can choose to fry the steak myself for a low price of only 350 Taiwan dollars. Klook will give you an extra pack of beef jerky. With your Klook ticket, you can redeem a portion of beef jerky for 230 Taiwan dollars, which is equivalent to a full discount. The environment inside the museum is very good, and there are also meals and frozen meats for sale. A great place to visit for a walk or a meal. If you buy a ticket with Klook, you will get beef jerky as a gift, but the food inside cannot be discounted. If you buy the ticket outside, you can get a 100% discount. The food is amazing. I will come again if I have the chance. The cost of the package is the cost of a pack of beef jerky. Other family members can buy tickets to offset the fee. Everyone can come here to eat beef hot pot. 3 to 4 people can eat one pot. It is delicious. The second time I came to Yuga Beef, I asked the children how to pronounce the characters for 4 cows. The answers were all quick, and it turned out that my visit was not in vain. I ate some meals and enjoyed a pleasant family time together. The combined ticket can be exchanged for tickets and a pack of beef jerky. Tickets that were not used before can also be scanned by the staff. They can still be used even after the scheduled use period. The high-speed rail international travel plan is combined with the Yuga Beef Tourist Factory. I visited here on New Year's Day, ate here and bought beef with my relatives and friends. The place is pretty good, and the prices for steaks and beef seem to be quite favorable.